So we have the new Copilot in the Copilot for Microsoft 365 family. Copilot in Forms is available globally for every user who owns the license, and immediately you can see how to use this application to speed up creation of the forms. You will see this is not something that probably will revolutionize your work or daily business, but this is really great example of the direction. Today in the video I will show you how Copilot in Forms is great example how the future of the content creation in the Office 365 apps will looks like, and how Microsoft driving Copilot to the other apps. If you want to learn more about Copilot applications and prepare yourself better, check my course that I prepare. You can register there for free. And if you want to support this channel, leave the thumbs up, subscription or the comment below. So we will move to my screen when I will show you how Copilot in Forms works, and moreover you will have clear view about moving from step-by-step process to very rapid creation of the first content that you want to work on. So let's move to Copilot in Forms. I want to show you Copilot in Forms not because it will change the way how you do work, because probably you don't spend whole day creating form after form after form, but at the same time this is a really great example to show you how the landing screen of the every Microsoft 365 application will look like in the future. Draft with Copilot, this is exactly something that you could expect. And one more thing, I want to show you how the traditional approach of the form creation looks like. So first of all, you need to create the title, description, you need to add specific fields, you need to set them up in the order, add additional options, think about the structure. This will be very time consuming operation, but in the end you get quite well structured and prepared form that you can send and share. And of course, in the end, you will set up some kind of styling for this form. So let's get back to the landing page of the form application right now, and let's see how Copilot changing this approach. So we are back in the starting page of the form creation, and you can see the only thing you have here is the chat window for your prompts for Copilot in Forms. And let's see the examples that Copilot team prepare for us just to show us how that kind of process could looks like. So you can see we shouldn't structure here how the form could looks like, but what should be the purpose of the form, what we want to achieve from the perspective of sending this form to our recipient. In this case, you can see we want to send the sign up form for volunteers and gather information about the preferences, skills, personal contact information. And this is something that we're preparing to create the form. We don't put any configuration, any setup in here. The only thing we will do is to generate the form. Now Copilot will prepare some kind of example for us that we can verify if this will be something that will work for us. And you can see we have the title description, we have the specific fields with the data inside it. We have the multiple options created for us with the specific order. If we don't like it, we can ask Copilot to regenerate this form for us. And again, we get a little different structure with the similar questions. Moreover, we can repeat that operation to get some more inspiration from AI, and in the end we will have the capability to switch between available forms. And in the end, the only thing we need to do is to keep it, and then the home form is created. We have the title, we have description, we have the specific fields that we can use, and in the end, which is also great feature, Copilot allows us to prepare some kind of design so we don't have to worry about it. So even if we want to add additional fields here, then we can also style our form to look a little better. Check it out, it looks very nice. And what is the most important part from my perspective, then you can edit the form, you can change the order, you can add the questions, you can decide about the configuration of every field. But what is most important part from my perspective in this example is the way how we creating using Copilot. We don't thinking much about the structure, the format, the information, but we're thinking about the purpose. We're thinking about what we want to achieve, and then we're getting some kind of foundation provided by Copilot, which we can adapt to our needs. And this looks very nice. We get very nice looking forms created very quickly. So in case we need something to be delivered super fast, Copilot in Forms works like a charm. And you can see already on this screen, these are the forms that I already created playing with Copilot in Forms. All of them looks very nice. I highly recommend you, if you're playing with Copilot for Microsoft 365, check the forms, because you can expect that this is the way how in the future will work. Draft with Copilot. So as you can see, future of Microsoft 365 applications will never be the same. Copilot will probably land as a landing screen for every application that is available there. And instead of step-by-step creation of the form, creation of the document, or creation of the content that you will work on, probably the first screen you will see draft with Copilot, and you will create the new content a little different way. It sounds very exciting to see how the future will looks like. Soon we will get Copilot in Stream, Copilot in OneDrive, and more Copilot will land in all applications across Microsoft 365 world. I hope this video helped you to understand better how Copilot in Forms works and how you can use it, and also start to change your mindset in the area of the way how we're working. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.